Ever pondered what it would be like to access the 10th dimension? Our minds are accustomed to the three dimensions of space we live in: length, width, and height. We move freely in any of these directions and have a good understanding of how they work. This is our comfortable three-dimensional home. But what if I told you there's more to reality than what meets the eye? That's where the concept of dimensions comes into play. Let's journey beyond the familiar, into the realm of the fourth dimension: time. Time, unlike our friendly three dimensions, is a one-way street. We're all passengers on this ride, moving from the past, through the present, and into the future. But wait, there's more. Enter the world of string theory, a theoretical framework where the point-like particles of particle physics are replaced by one-dimensional objects called strings. And here's the kicker. String theory suggests that there might be more dimensions than we're used to, dimensions that are compacted and hidden from our perception. In fact, some versions of string theory posit as many as 10 dimensions. Imagine that, 10 dimensions. It's a concept that's difficult to grasp because we're so grounded in our three-dimensional experience. We're like fish in a pond, aware only of the water around us, oblivious to the world beyond the pond's surface. Understanding these dimensions is not an easy feat. Our brains are wired for three-dimensional thinking, and trying to imagine additional dimensions can feel like a mental workout. But let's not shy away from the challenge. Instead, let's embrace the mystery and the potential for discovery that comes with it. It's a fascinating, mind-bending journey that takes us to the very edges of our understanding of the universe. It makes us question what we know and pushes us to learn more, to dig deeper. So as we delve into this enigma, let's ponder this thought. How would it feel to access the 10th dimension? Can we even begin to comprehend what that would be like? Understanding these dimensions is not an easy feat, but think about how it would feel to access the 10th dimension. Unraveling the mystery, what exactly is the 10th dimension? Let's dive into this intriguing concept. The 10th dimension is not a physical place that you can visit, or a location you can pinpoint on a map. It's a theoretical construct, a point in parameter space. In simpler terms, it's an idea, a mathematical model used to explain the complexity and richness of our universe and beyond. Imagine a vast cosmic library that holds all possible timelines, all potential realities, and every conceivable version of you. This is what the 10th dimension encapsulates. It's a realm of infinite possibilities where each point represents a different initial condition for a different universe. Let's take a step back to understand this better. Picture a line. That's one dimension. Now imagine a square, that's two dimensions. A cube gives us three dimensions. Add time and we have the fourth dimension. We live in this four-dimensional world. But what about dimensions 5 to 9? They are believed to be curled up, so small that we cannot perceive them. Now the 10th dimension, it's the culmination of all these dimensions. It's the point where every possible scenario, every possible universe, and every possible version of you coalesce. It's the ultimate expression of multiplicity and diversity. Yet, it's important to remember, the 10th dimension is not a place we can physically explore. We cannot board a spaceship and set coordinates to the 10th dimension. It exists, theoretically, mathematically. It's a concept that helps us understand the universe, its complexity, and its infinite possibilities. The 10th dimension is like a vast library that holds all the stories that could ever be written. It's a testament to the boundless creativity of the universe, a place where every possible story, every possible outcome, exists. It's the ultimate expression of what if, and in the realm of the 10th dimension, what if becomes what is. Imagine wielding the power to access the 10th dimension. What could that mean? Let's take a moment to ponder on this. In the realm of theoretical physics, dimensions beyond the three spatial and one temporal that we're familiar with are postulated to exist. The 10th dimension, as some physicists propose, is a realm where all possible realities, pasts and futures exist. To have access to this dimension is to hold the key to a multiverse of possibilities. Think about it. With this access, one could traverse time as effortlessly as walking down the street. The past wouldn't be a closed book anymore, but a chapter you could revisit, relive, and even reshape. The future wouldn't be an enigma, but a canvas where you could paint your desired outcomes. Imagine being able to explore alternate realities. Every choice you've ever made, every path you've ever taken, you could see how different outcomes would unfold. You could delve into a world where you took that job offer you declined, or where you moved to a city you've always dreamt of. Every what if could be answered. This power could also mean a complete overhaul of our understanding of existence. It would challenge our perception of reality, of time, and of ourselves. We would have to rethink our place in the cosmos, not as mere inhabitants of a three-dimensional world, but as entities capable of transcending dimensions. But with great power comes great responsibility. The freedom to alter realities and timelines could lead to unforeseen consequences. It's a power that would need to be wielded with caution, wisdom, and a profound understanding of the delicate balance of the universe. Accessing the 10th dimension would be like being the ultimate puppet master, controlling every string of reality. A tantalizing yet daunting prospect, isn't it? As we continue to unravel the mysteries of the universe, who knows what powers we might one day wield. However, accessing the 10th dimension is not without its challenges. Let's take a moment to consider the caveats. The concept of the 10th dimension, as enticing as it is largely theoretical. Despite the mathematical models and theories that support its existence, we lack empirical evidence to validate these claims. There's a gap, so to speak, between mathematical abstraction and physical reality. So, while we can theorize about the 10th dimension, actually accessing it remains a challenge of titanic proportions. This is in part due to the paradoxes and contradictions that arise when we consider the idea of traversing all dimensions. For instance, if we could access the 10th dimension, we would theoretically have the power to travel through time to alter the past or the future. But this introduces the classic time travel paradox. If you travel back in time and change something, you alter the trajectory of events that led to your current existence. Then there's the challenge of the sheer scale. The 10th dimension, as proposed in various string theories, encompasses all possible timelines, all possible variations of the universe. To navigate such a vast and complex landscape would require a level of understanding and control that we, as a species, simply do not possess. We also have to consider the implications for our perception of reality. If the 10th dimension is real, then our three-dimensional existence is just a tiny slice of a much larger, much more complex reality. This shakes the very foundations of our understanding and could potentially lead to cognitive dissonance. And then there's the energy requirement. Even if we could figure out how to traverse the 10th dimension, the energy needed to do so would be astronomical. It's not something we could just whip up in a lab. So, while the idea of accessing the 10th dimension is fascinating, it's also fraught with challenges and complexities. It's a concept that pushes the boundaries of our understanding, that asks us to reconsider what we know about the universe and our place within it. Despite the allure, the 10th dimension remains a theoretical construct, a tantalizing mystery that teases our understanding of reality. So, where does that leave us in our understanding of the 10th dimension? We've journeyed through the enigma of dimensions, decoded the mysteries of the 10th dimension, explored its power, and confronted the limitations and challenges that come with it. It's a whirlwind tour through a concept that pushes the boundaries of our understanding, yet it's crucial to remember that we're only scratching the surface of this vast, complex universe. The 10th dimension, as we've discussed, is a theoretical construct where all possible universes that started with all possible initial conditions exist. It's a realm where time, as we understand it, loses its meaning, and where every choice, every possibility, every potential reality coexists. It's a mind-boggling concept, one that our three-dimensional brains struggle to comprehend. But the implications of this concept are profound. It opens up new ways of thinking about the universe and our place in it. It challenges our perception of reality and forces us to question what we know about time, space, and existence itself. Yet accessing the 10th dimension is not without its challenges. Our current understanding of physics, our technology, and indeed, our very perception of reality are all barriers to fully grasping and exploring this realm. It's a daunting task, but one that scientists and researchers worldwide are dedicated to. Research into higher dimensions is ongoing, with new theories and ideas emerging all the time. String theory, for instance, suggests that there could be as many as 11 dimensions, while some quantum physicists propose even more. These theories, while still in their infancy, are opening up new avenues of understanding and exploration. In summary, the 10th dimension, while a daunting and complex concept, is a testament to the boundless potential of human curiosity and imagination. It's a reminder that there is always more to learn, more to discover, and more to understand. The 10th dimension, a theoretical construct that pushes the boundaries of our understanding, remains a fascinating enigma, a testament to the limitless potential of human curiosity and imagination.
Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.